I think companies really need to consider hiring old people with OCD, ADD, ADHD, LMNOP, and whatever other kind of letters you want to put on them. Why, you might ask? Well, us old timers, we grew up in a time when the teachers that we had in school, our parents, other community members, all had grown up learning the old methods. So, I want to thank you for sending me a set of dry erase markers. Now, they're in a nice little tray, but I know I can drop them all on the floor. But this message goes out to the EXPO Dry Erase Marker Company. Do you see what I see? Remember, I have OCD. Now, these markers are going to be great for me to take little notes down on the side here for myself, because more than likely you can't read that. These are fine tip dry erase. If I use them on their side, this one is red. But that's as much as you're going to get. What's the next color in the lineup? Orange. Okay? The next color, we're doing pretty good here. Oh, wait, I don't have the next color, but I have to drop down one and go to green. But I do have the next color, blue. And I'm not sure which of these would fit either of the next two colors. I think I will skip this one and put down violet. Actually, we would probably just call that purple, but there's two colors missing. However, the set did include black, which is an important color, and then brown. I don't know why, but brown's in here. So what colors are missing? Yellow and indigo. Because the rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Roy, see, Roy, G, Biv. That's how we learned it, okay? So where's the yellow and where's the indigo? They did also include the oh so important pink. We can't forget pink. After all, I have pink weights. So that's about it. That's why I think they should hire people with OCD in their design and their planning, because there's 8 colors in here. If you take black out, okay, black is the presence of all color. White would be the absence of any color. And get rid of the brown, get rid of the pink, and give me a yellow and an indigo. Then I would have a rainbow pack. Thanks again for the markers. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, I might be able to use it to take notes for myself so that the viewers can't read them. And then I can read off of this while I write with the fat tip markers over there. Just saying. You hope you're having a great day. Head out to your workshop and go make some shavings. Walter out.